Meet David, his lovely wife Prue, and their two little ones, Matisse and Davin. Like any other family, they are always on the go with their kids in tow. When Matisse and Davin want to drink straight out of a bottle of water, whether it is at a birthday party, on the plane, in the car, at home, at the grocery store, or any other place, this happens. And David and Prue are like, oh no, not again. Then they discover Jellycap, the first and only kid-friendly drinking cap that can fit on almost any bottled beverage, be it a bottle of water, juice, yogurt smoothie, or anything your kids could possibly drink. Drinking out of any bottle is not easy for anyone, especially little kids. It's always messy, and they could potentially choke on it. Jellycap, extremely easy to use. It can be placed over or inside the top of the bottle for wider bottles. Use it with a straw or without one. Jellycap is small enough for you to carry anywhere you go, so it's always with you whenever needed. Et voila! Jellycap makes the drinking process easy and clean, so you don't have to worry anymore. No fuss, no mess. Jellycap those bottles today. Jellycap, your new best friend.